Let's find out how Google's famous design sprint works.
Welcome guys. So in this video, we're going to be going through the whole process of design sprints. So design sprints are basically sprints of designs which are used for creating products, for actually preparing mockups, in teamworks. So this was first introduced in Google. So Google is actually very famous for actually using the design sprint before any other company. It was first originated there. So it contains of the following steps in this case. So we have the first step, that is to understand. Then once we understand what the solution is, we're going to be defining it. Along with definition, we're going to go to diverge. Diverge is basically just classifying the whole problem into a basic root of sub-problems which we're going to use and solve independently. So if we consider this, what this process means is we have a whole different, this is the whole problem, this is 100%. What we're doing is we're basically shaping it up into a few sectors which we can slice and actually take care of. So this is basically about 12.5%. So we're just basically using that for the whole sector. That's how this goes. Next, what do we have next? Once diverged, then we're going to go and decide. We're going to decide what to keep, what not to keep, and how we should keep it. At the end, we're going to move on to prototyping. So once we've prototyped the process, then we're going to go and do validation.
Hey guys, I hope you learned something out of this video. If you like the videos, and if you want to watch more, want to learn about a specific topic, leave it in the comments below. If not, just give it a likes up and subscribe.